Hello friends, here I am going to show you how to install Python. First open any browser and type Python in any web browser. So type Python, click on it. Open Python official website. Here you see downloads. In downloads you can see Python, the latest version of Python, that is 3.8.2. Click on that. Download will start. Let me show all the downloads. Go to download folder, click on Python software, open the Python software. Here see, make sure always stick on add Python to path add in environment variable. So always click on the here and then click on install now. Install process, wait for it. So here setup was successful. So close it. For check Python is installed or not in your computer, so open first command prompt and simply type Python and press enter. Here you can see here Python 3.8.2, the version of Python. So it means Python is successfully installed in your computer. So close it. Here you can also see a editor of Python, that is Ideal. It's the editor of Python. Python is now installed in your computer. So thank you.